We are building the world's largest Nanaimo bar. Right here at Vancouver Island University on May 17th from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m., students in the culinary arts and professional baking and pastry arts programs are taking this classic Canadian dessert to a whole new level with their own special recipe. Check out these insane numbers.
277 pounds of butter, 200 pounds of confectioner's sugar, 171 pounds of graham cracker crumbs, 151 pounds of dark chocolate, 62 pounds of shredded coconut, 46 pounds of cocoa powder, 29 pounds of whipping cream, 46 pounds of sugar, 25 pounds of custard powder, 46 pounds of walnuts, and 407 eggs!
This monster will measure 70 feet long. That's longer than a semi-truck. It's more than dessert, it's a massive team effort combining passion, precision, and a whole lot of chocolate.
So this is going to involve students from the Baking and Pastry Arts program, students from the Culinary Arts program. There's quite a few alumni coming. It's a real celebration of like the local baking and culinary community. For us, it's going to be, it's a little bit more Nanaimo bar than we would usually make, for sure. I'm 100% confident that we're going to be able to pull this off. I feel like we're prepared. Everybody at the university has been pitching in and helping organize this. So I think it's going to be a really fun day. The students are looking forward to it as well. So I'm excited for the day. Just really looking forward to everything coming together and cutting up that Nanaimo bar on the 17th.
Layer by layer, inch by inch, this is more than just a record breaker. This is pure, delicious history in the making. From the heart of Nanaimo to the world, this is how you celebrate a Canadian classic, the largest Nanaimo bar ever. Built by VIU, shared by everyone.